Hey everybody, Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority, and here we're looking at an update to Seekout, a big update. This is the Insights update. Now, why is this important? We all know that part of the sourcing life cycle involves doing your research. Research comes first. Research is intelligence. Intelligence is insights. That's why. So let's start with what they got. They've got this really cool thing here. So we're going to go ahead and start with this. We're going to start insights about a company. You basically pick an area, pick a company. So let's pick a company. Blah, blah, blah. Let's pick on Apple. Just I don't know, maybe because I can. Because a friend of mine's going to work there, probably is why I picked it. And look what we get here. We get to know their locations. We get to know the current company because there's obviously iterations, meaning sub companies, and then we get titles. So the most people are software engineers, diversity info, past company, past title, blah blah blah, and all this stuff. Great stuff, phenomenal stuff. It's good to know you to be able to do your research. We can export this. That's good too. So let's go back. And of course, because you did your search on Apple, that means they automatically make it so you can do search to find people from here. So you can use this to do your people searching. Let's go back now and pick the next thing. Insights about a position. So here's where we pick a position. We're going to still stick with that. We can pick a company or we can pick a title. We can pick a company and we can pick a title. In this case, we're going to pick a company and a title. So we're going to go ahead and continue to pick on Apple just because I can. And then we're going to pick a title and we're going to put, let's see what we have. Software engineer. Yay, software engineer. Go. And ooh, they probably don't call their people software engineers, I'll bet you. So let's try that again. What other title do you think Apple would use? Let's see. Let's do, oh, you know what? Let's try program manager. Do they have any program managers? Yes, so here we go. So there's the programmer. They probably call their people programmers or some other title than software engineer, but that's okay. So here we go. We get the breakdown. We even get current company, past company, title, the same things as before, but we get to break it down by specific title. Bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum ba, and a partridge in a pear tree. And there we go. So let's go on to the next thing. This is learn about a role in a city. So North America, let's pick a title. We're gonna do software engineer just because I want to. We're going to pick a location. We'll pick Seattle because I'm in that area. And now we get to know the breakdown here. Now, why is this important? This is important because if you're looking for a developer in Seattle, wouldn't it be nice to get an idea what the population is going to be? So let's add in the Java, get a little more specific here so we know how many are Java developers. But dang, and there you go. So now you know how to find people in a particular area, what companies to target, all that neat stuff. It's just really cool data. So let's keep moving on down the highway and or use the keyword field and filter. So that means basically we're going to do a Boolean search. We're not going to look at that. Now here's some interesting previews that they have. Company comparison. Now this is interesting. So let's enter a company. We're going to say it's our company. I'm going to say our company is Apple just because, well, I feel. Let's do a competitor. Let's go with Microsoft. Boom, region North America, general report, and look at the comparison. We get to get comparison in talent pool overall, diversity wise. So this is the overall temple. This is how many are Apple, how many are Microsoft. You get down here, you can do locations. You get down here, you do years of experience, current titles, all that. So you get to compare companies, so you have a better idea what you're dealing with. This is goodness. I'm liking it. So next, diversity sources report. Now, wow, this would be cool. Diversity tag. Okay, let's go with Black or African American. Let's go with developer. We're gonna stick with North America for now, and I haven't done this search before, so this is new on both of us. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. That's Jeopardy, right? Yeah. All right. So here we go. We got four. The diversity temple seems to be about that big. This is the general diversity breakdown. And here you go. Boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom. For those of you looking for diversity, there you go. All right. Lastly is create a custom report. This is where you basically can create the report you want to create based on whatever you want to create them at. So probably, and I already know this, but combinations of different things like a diversity with a developer, with a this, with that. So that's, but this is huge because this is basically your research in one place, and it's good, solid, and downloadable, so you can show. Excuse me, hiring manager, we aren't gonna be able to find a Java developer in Nowhere, Nebraska. Nowhere, Nebraska, population 50. Ain't no Java developers. Because thing the Java there are is what they drink in the mornings. That's it. So that's what this is for. Long story short, this is Seek Out their insights, or as we call it, research for sourcing. My name is Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority. May the source be with you.